Go ahead, Liam, hit it back. Playing ball with Luke? He's not throwing it to him anymore. Luke! Hit it back, Liam. Hit it back. Go ahead, throw it back. Throw it back, baby. Throw it back. Go ahead, hit it. He goes right for it. He's not throwing it to him anymore. Go ahead. What the heck is he throwing it? Luke! Where's the ball? Where's the ball? He doesn't know where he's throwing it. Hi! Give me the ball. Go ahead. Good boy, Liam. No, over here, Luke. Ew, he's putting it in his mouth. Luke. Liam. Liam. And there he goes.